afternoon guys. Yes, this time gagawa ko ng video about the eyeshadow palette. This comes with a sleek design called La Mayla. That's it. And if we're going to open this, let's see inside. This one, this pouch, pink, rose pink color. Ayan siya kalaki. Kasi laki lang na mukha ko. And if we're going to open this, you will see the different of colors here. And this is for the lipstick. And we'll open this. This is for the lipstick. Paano ba ito? Hey, Diyos ko Lord, tapang mga langit. Saan dito yung kanya? Ay, eto. Tapos kapila. For the lipstick. Sa shades. Lipstick. Parang glossy siya. Parang glossy lang kasi ito. It's some kind of a glossy effect lang. You can tap it on your lipstick. If you have lipstick, you can tap this glossy one. At eto, dito, start tayo for the eyeshadow na ano siguro ito. Na black. Ito yung shade. Ayan. Yun yung shade. For this one. For this one. Ito yung shade na. Ito naman sa kabila. Itong shade. Mas lighter. Lighter to compare sa isa. Ito mas dark light.